was scrolling through YouTube Shorts the other day and kept seeing these wild, fully animated Roblox videos pulling millions of views. Because Roblox is one of the biggest gaming platforms with a massive audience dying for this content. So the opportunity for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels is absolutely insane. I thought to myself, there is no way these creators are spending days animating this block by block just for a 30 to 60 second video. And I was right. I dug into their accounts and I found the exact cheat code they are using. They are animating anything. They are using a completely automated AI system to make such viral content under few minutes. So let's create those amazing Roblox videos. And to follow along, I have put the link in the description below. Let's begin. Click on the link in the description and you will land on the homepage of Anagem AI. Now, all you have to do is write a 2 to 3 line idea of the type of video you want to create. This tool will automatically handle the rest of the complicated tasks, from creating a detailed story to generating images and rendering the final video with just one click. If you don't have an idea, don't worry. I will also provide you with a Roblox Unlimited Ideas Generation Master Document, which consists of various styles, such as Roblox funny stories, horror mystery stories, romantic stories, and many more. Simply copy any one of the story styles and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude AI. It will provide you with a scene-by-scene story idea. Comment prompt down below, and I will send you the link to the document. All right, now I will paste my story idea here and hit enter. It will start its process. First, it will ask you to choose a mode from 3 options. Whether you want to go fully automatic or step-by-step, it is entirely up to you. I am going with the AI Director mode, which means fully automatic. The catch is that although it is fully automated, it will still ask for your opinion at each step, so that the final result matches your desire. Now choose the video generation model. I am going with the latest Cdance 2.0 model and hitting the confirm button. In the next step, it will ask for a few settings, such as the target age group and the platform for which you are making the video. Since we are making viral shorts or reels content, I am going with a 9:16 aspect ratio and a 0.5 minute duration, which is a 30-second video. Next, select the audio mode. If you want to create a video that includes dialogue, go with the first option. For now, I am selecting the voiceover mode. Once done, click the confirm button. It will now summarize all your settings. Look down here. If you want to work professionally, I recommend choosing the first option. But if you want the AI to do all the tasks, go with option number 2. Now it will generate a story direction. Simply select the first option. It will then generate the story outline and ask you to choose a style, such as 3D or anime. You can also choose a style from its library. There is a wide variety of styles. I am going with the 3D style. Now it will extract all the characters, objects, and background scenes as per your story to ensure consistency throughout the video. Click the second option to generate all images at once. As you can see, it has generated all the images required for our story. Now, click Start Video Generation and select the second option to generate all the video at once. Alright, after a few minutes, our video has been generated. Now it will ask for audio track generation. Let me quickly do the settings and generate the audio. Once done, click on Render Preview Video. It will automatically combine all the clips and add the generated audio track to finalize the video. You can preview the final result and click the download button to save it to your computer. Anagem is the ChatGPT of animation. It is a fully automated, dialogue-driven AI agent that handles the entire video production pipeline for you. Making an animated video is now as easy as having a conversation. Now, let me show you the final result.
Max struts through school like he owns it, until a locker gets in his way. Max spots a shiny red button and pushes it right away, despite Lily's urgent warning. The alarm blares! Teacher sprints at top speed. Not a drill! A giant gym ball sends everything flying in a rainbow of confetti chaos! Max gets a special sign. Maybe.
He walked through the cherry blossoms, a pink envelope clutched tightly in his hand, heart racing. There she was, sitting on their bench. He took a breath and stepped closer. Together, they rode through the park, their laughter trailing behind them like music. He surprised her with a delicate heart-shaped balloon, floating gently into her sweetest dreams. By the glowing fountain, golden light wrapped around them, holding a quiet moment. He handed her the envelope carefully. She read it, smiled warmly, and held him tight.